Or not? Where am I supposed to be going?
Okay, my ghost keeps tagging these Cabal as Red Legion. Cora, what do you got?
They're elite, ruthless, and rumor is they have never known defeat.
So yeah, guys, it would be really helpful if you guys all want to like and subscribe right now.
But Zavala, they're attacking the Traveler.
Yeah, I should move it or just leave it?
We protect our people at any cost.
Oh, we got online players to help me out. That's pretty cool. Bam. Oh crap, one of our teammates died. Oh. Boom. Oh. Only got 3 shots. Only 3 shots the gold gun? Well, that does sound familiar, though.
These Red Legion are well trained, but we are better. We will hold this line until the last civilian is secure.
Oh, guys, look at it. The tower's on fire.
I think it might be better on the bottom line, but it depends on the game.
Yeah, it definitely depends on the game. I can move it top right.
We hold here. That command ship, it's excellent. Missiles, stay inside my shield.
How would I stay inside your shield?
More Red Legion, show them what Guardians are made of.
Don't try it. I've got the high ground. Bam. 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 Oh, dang. There's a lot of them. You're an enemy too? Sorry, I didn't notice you.
Zavala,
Okay,
the last of the
okay.
shuttles is away, but the speaker,
Okay, I see
he
you.
never made it. I'm going to look for him.
Oh, okay, so it's not that he's dead.
Find the speaker.
We're on it, Commander.
I'm just standing in fire, that's why I'm getting hurt.
The speaker.
The hand cannon is my favorite weapon. It has boost damage and range.
Oh yeah, I like hand cannons too. I like hand cannons and snipers. So trust me, as soon as I can get a hand cannon, I'm gonna do my best to use it.
Cora, the speaker is gone. Red Legion, you will take no more from us, and you will find no mercy in me.
Oh, dang.
Zavala,
She'll find the speaker. We need to move on that command ship. Now head to the North Tower. I'm sending Amanda Holiday to pick you up.
Okay, how do I get there? What am I supposed to do? Oh, I'm probably supposed to go through this door. Okay, I keep on forgetting it. R1's knife, not throw grenade. This burst gun isn't bad.
Holiday is inbound. We'll keep that ship off the beam.
I should have saved my super. Okay, maybe I didn't need my super. He looks big and bad, so I thought it'd be a lot
told me you
harder.
need a ride.
Yeah, I kind of do need a ride. Thanks for picking me up. Did I just complete the first mission? Dang. That was quick. Ooh, cinematic.
Zavala, picked up that Guardian you never showed up about?
Get them on that command ship, now!
Good job.
Hold on back there!
Oh yeah, we got some space battles going on. It's on the ground right there. Oh crap. That's not good. Okay, no worries. Part of my chair is just falling apart now.
All right, Guardian. Time to kick him where it hurts.
Part of my wheel on my chair just kind of came off. So it's more stationary now. Time to kick it where it hurts. I'm just... okay, black screens hurt. I can agree with that.
That sucks.
It's all good. I think I can put it back on, but I'll figure it out later.
Let us know when the shields are down and we'll hit that ship with everything we got.
Okay. Should I move my face cam really quick? Or should I just leave it?
Yes.
That hologram could help. Let me take a look.
That hologram? Oh, this hologram.
Move the top right like you said.
Move the top right? Okay, I'm trying to do that.
Okay, the shield generator.
Yeah, give me a second, guys. Upper right. Okay, there we go. Let's try that out. See if that works out a bit better. Dude, I don't like being shot back at. This gun does not have range. Well,
Do you like sushi?
I love sushi.
Little low on ammo. No flaming shit. Trap's burning out. Even through the Makora. That's what you wait for the speaker. Blow him up! On me!
Okay. We got some different looking enemies right now. We're gonna get we need my super soon.